Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 16.3 RC update is not showing on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to download the iOS 16.3 RC update which is out now, and if it's not showing on the software update, then I'm going to show you how you can download that update in your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started the video. So if you're trying to download it from the Apple beta website and it's still not showing, then try this method. Just simply go to Safari browser and search for google.com, and go to google.com and search here for beta profiles, and open the second website right here. As you can see, once you have opened the website, scroll down, and then as you can see iOS 16.3 RC, click on install profile. Simply click on install. Now you have to simply click on allow to download the profile. So once the profile is downloaded, now go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, click on VPN and device management, and here you will see iOS 16 beta software profile. Click on install. Simply enter your iPhone passcode and again click on install. So once the profile is installed, now you can click on not now, click on done. Now you can simply go back to software update section, and on this page you will get iOS 16.3 RC update. As you can see, now you can simply click on download and install this update on your iPhone. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.